Hi guys! Welcome to Joy's Kitchen! Today, magluluto tayo ng pork chop for dinner. Salt and pepper ang always seasoning. Ating pork chop. Ayan lang. Season. Takpan natin. So, mga 2 hours. Guys, after couple hours, ready na for prito. At yan guys, habang piniprito natin ang ating pork chop, gagawa naman tayo ng sibuyas, kamatis na sausawan. Red onion. Tahan natin ng cilantro. Lagyan natin ng asin. Ang sibuyas natin ng lemon. Gawa na po ang ating sausawan. Yan guys, luto na po ang ating fried pork chop. Pork chop and sibuyas, kamatis na sausawan. Alright you guys, salamat. Thank you for watching. Sarap. Kain.